Alright guys, hello again. I can see what's going on with the videos and stuff. That's perfectly fine. I'm more than happy to record them and have them ready. I actually think it works better than anything else, but there you go. So, factorizing quadratics. Remember, a quadratic, more often than not, this is not always going to be the case, but more often than not, is going to be an x squared, some x's in the middle, and an independent term. So that's a number on its own at the end. So step number one, what you need to do is find the factor pairs. You need to find the factor pairs of the independent term. That's the number on its own. And in my case, my independent term is positive 12. Always make sure you keep the sign with the number, because if it was a negative number, you need to take that into consideration. So the factor pairs of positive 12, if I write them down, are 1 and 12, minus 1 and minus 12, 3 and 4, minus 3 and minus 4, 2 and 6, minus 2 and minus 6, and are there any more? 1, 12, 3, 4, 2, 6. I think that's it, isn't it? Right. And then step number 2, out of all the possible pairs, you need to choose the pair that adds up to, choose the pair that adds up to the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is the number that is multiplying the x. So the coefficient of x is positive 7. Again, don't forget to include the sign. The sign belongs to the number. Alright? So, which of these pairs of numbers adds up to positive 7? 3 and 4. So, my quadratic is going to factorize as x plus 3, that's where the 3 comes from, x plus 4. Now, is there a check I could do here to make sure my answer is correct? The answer is yes. If I expand this double bracket, I should get back to the beginning. So, let's check it out. X times x, x squared. X times 4, 4x. 3 times x, 3x, and 3 times 4 is 12. I can simplify the two x terms in the middle. So x squared plus 7x plus 12. As you can see, I've ended up where I started. So my factorization, my final answer, is correct. You do not need to do this check in the exam, but it's good to do in your heads to make sure you've got it right. Maybe at some point in the future, maybe tomorrow, I'll do another example with negative signs or whatever, but the idea and the principle is exactly the same. So good luck, keep working hard, and I'll see you soon. Bye.